Mbia mano sana umwanchi wita kia Ndizi TV na kwasemera kwa na kwabere kugotwara obulgelia obyemigeta seni kiga unalitukolia Friday na Frida Kerubo asemesa mangana mayato kubwatanere Joshua Auta kurasinsemo chirichibiyorokerelyo kurende ikaransa oike elindengo manyi asinjira yobwekiranu nara yali abasaki baito babere bagosaka konya bana bayigogotuka elinda kweneki onsi agwikiranire ase emesa ya mangana maya kurende ikaransa oike elindengo manya senchira yobekiranu inyora asinsemo chichi mitandao asensemo ya Facebook na bakotonyara gwetera Ndizi TV News Digital na bega sensemo ya YouTube na bakotonyara gwetera Ndizi TV News asensemo ya website na bakotonyara gwetera www.ndizitv.or.ke chinga kitoroche ekyombe gya Council of Elders ime county ya Kisii baba bakumira na bene litukolia rero na boigo kugikelia chimbwa chimbe echo chabere chigwetorwa nechingaki na boigo ekyombe gya mwanyagetinge litukolia rero nigo bombera na ase ensemo ya sunika eligo kwanera amangana alengete omugusii na boigo kwene kingangole tabale abagusi ase obwamo na boigo abateneneli bensemo ya Keumbu Children's Home nigo babere nokogania ase ogokonya abana abo babete bagweta amatemwa y'ekirasi kya 5 na 3 na boigo eskuru yoboroso ya St Patrick's eyure yeserikali asensemeria mosocho nigo gatie chiskuru chiri cyabere chigokolibuya anene mono ase amatemwa y'ekirasi kya 5 na 3 chingake cyo boigo toroche nigo chiskuru cyabere chigotuguterale amachibu y'ekirasi kya 5 na 3 ase keli bagoteba bunatali maikirano kolende korwa sensemo yoboteneneli bekyombe gyanek nigo babere bakogania chiskuru chichitanchiraniti amatemwa ka ase chiobisi echo nabo igokweneki ngonyora bale obwene obwabo mwancho muligirira nkwirana ndasegeka egeke elinde ngumanyi asinchira yobekirano Togo chaka Amayia ase ebrebiga nigo kumanyubuna ekina gyomwana Junior Sagini nigo kegendete gotegererwa bosi bwekegambiro ase litkolia rero abakagero batatu babogikwa bosi bwekegambiro ase ngencho yo kwegerera Alex Ochogo Maina Rail Nyakerario naboigo Pacifica Nyakerario nigo baika bosi bwekegambiro ase bakana amamocho yo kumukonora amaiso omwana Junior Sagini yakorekanite amatuko abuangoiga kolende omosoeli Hilary Kaino nigo abagagosaba omonachi ebina gotaigolera abakagerwa abo asengencho yokweneki obulendi bwabakagerwa abo kolende okobolya kwaye nigo kwabago kwanchiranwa ase Alex na boigo Rail baba gwanchirana gotigara ase Erumande kolende Pacifica ereniga abakagokana koigolerwa gosenigo agania koigolerwa asengencho nigo atebabuna nigo aganite guakana cash gose bond lindego soka kurwa ase Erumande.
Alex, umeelewa maombi hayo, unalipi la kusema? Upande wa mashtaka wanapinga kwamba usipewe dhamana bond ama cash bail. Sababu ni kwamba moja, wanahofia kwamba nyinyi mkiweza kuachiliwa sahi kwa sasa bado iko na hamaki, watu wamekasirika. Kwa hivyo kwa usalama wenu wanaomba bado mbaki kule rumande kesi ikiendelea. Na pili kwamba wanahofia kwamba kuna uwezekano kwamba nyinyi mnaweza kususia wale mashahidi wasiweze kuja hapa kotini. Wanasema kwamba wale mashahidi ni majamaa zenu. Mara mtakapopewa zile statements mtaweza kujua majina yao na kuna wanahofia kwamba mtaweza kuwasusia wasiweze kuja kotini kutoa ushahidi wao. Kwa hivyo wanaomba msipewe dhamana bond ama cash bail. Uko sawa?
Ekiombe gia Gusii Councils of Elders nigo bachire amo na kogendera kogikelia chimbwa chimbe ekyo chetirwene chinga kibuna gosambwa kwa bantu abakagerwa boborogi nabo igo chisegi chegenka nabo igo gati yayande bakoragwa no munyakirogo obo araka matundra nigo babolire gutarira chiwodi elinde gosemia abagusii Moriketo Evelyn Osero na mange
Ekiombe kia Gusii Culture and Development Council nigo kia gikeri bororo chimbwa chimbe asegesa kukyomo Gusii. Ayamagega yebikoro au gati yabo gusariwa kwa bana banyaruka ogosambwa kwa banto asogokagerwa kwa babarogi kwerusia obomoyo amarita mapema egati yebinde binke ebyo byarokanire asorogongo rwa Gusii ebyo batebire bikoreto bosoku asegesa kukyomo Gusii.
Na wase waliosema hawataki kusikia hiyo tena. Tutumie njia sote kuona hayo mambo hayaendi njia hiyo. Tumeona ni mbaya na wameweka njia tunaenda kufanya. Na tunataka kutafuta kihini ni kwa nini haya yote yanafanyika.
Gokwana asege karobatu areme mochio bosongo munyakerogobo matundraraka niga kwanirege korokyo mwana Junior Sagini na gotebane yogogeche mono.
Watoto mmoja anaitwa Sagini alitolewa na macho. Hiyo kitu kimehuti hawa wazee na mama. Kimewahuti sana na kimewakera kabisa hata nyumbani kwao huko. Na wakaona leo wakuja waongee wakiwa hapa. Yule alitenda ama walitenda mambo haya ya huyu mtoto tumewarani kwa njia ya Kisii kabisa.
Matundrani gaine kiabuna ambache gotumeka Chinsa chionsi chibwenerete eryo korora amangana bunaya aikiromo eryo.
Kwa hivyo tutatumia kanisa kuona tumesuluhisha haya maneno. Tulisema hiyo tutaongea hata kwa mashule, tutatafuta kila mbinu tuone mambo haya yameingia kwa watu wetu kabisa kwa njia zote. Tunataka kutafuta njia ya kwenda kwa hizi wards, tuongee na wananchi kwa karibu ile. Tuwe karibu na wananchi, tuongee kwa ward, tutaongea kwa sub counties siko 16. Tuongee hapo.
Omoriki intenenera abwe kiombekyo omwasa tai nigense mendate babuna nigo bagoche gutumeka Chinsa nabo igo chiobis chibwenerete eryo korwa basemia asabasae.
We want to use the media because the media will reach our people in a more fast way. We'll also use our cultural office in Kisii to sensitize or to educate the youths who are within town so that they get to know how Gusii came up, grew up, and whatever is expected of Gusii. We also want the church intervention in matters of family life, in matters pertaining how people should behave in their families. They want to also use the provincial administration because they have the authority. That is right from the assistant chief, the chief, and the DCC.
Nigakora sogoteba buna chisegi ase county ya Nyamira na Kisii nigo chirachiwe komorio.
The Kisii county wrangles, the Nyamira county wrangles, the elders have unanimously passed a resolution that they should not be seen anymore. In the event of anything, let them go in-house, sort them out. If failure to do that, then our chairman will come up and call his executive committee to deliberate on the same so that we have 2 counties running smoothly without any issues.
Nebikore byarokanire koreta obosoko obonene na mononko irane inse egesaku kyomo Gusii. Go reportere getaseni kya Ndizi TV erietariane Evelyn Osero.
Mbiamano sana Omuriketo Evelyn Osero asorobotiro oroikirano konde chinga kecho nigo ekiombe gia mwanyagetinge Heritage Council kiabake gotwara egeikaro asense moyasunika imiyagonchali eligo kwanera amangana alengete omugusii ase obwamo nabo igokoligia amachibu gose gukora emechando eliabagusii bagwetera. Omuriketo Ndemo Steve natalera sinsemecho nakotwaliganeria oroboti rokobwatia.
Ase ekenyoro kiaria getugi ewodi abumorenda Nigabagaka n'abangenenseri aburiria Mwanyagetinge Heritage Council branch ya Bonchari basanga igoro egekoro chimbwa chimbe cyarorekanire ime ya Gusii asama tukabwango iga
Tobirane igasogo semani totebererani erinde muna turanyare kwiga chimbu chomo Gusii oriokare na intwinde tonyare gokonyana asengencho yogotuge kamang'ana ya yegekoro
minto goto twachira amatokura ngane yiga tonyobwaterane tigere nyare koera kwetera stinguru cho maneno itonyasaye
goto ntuna Mwanyagetinge otokora rio molembe utukolisheni abakora rio molembe obonya mwanya bantu bobo
gati ye chimbwa chimbe chagikerwa na monokorusigwa maiso kwa mwana Junior Sagini engana yogo sambwa kwa bantu ogotachirwa inse kwa abana chisegi chiegenka gati ebintu binde
abangina beringire nintageteranji sasaba nanyoro mongina te yon chikoni akari ninta tenda gere maragoba ongakobo kimakoboko ombekira matoronge koboko ngana aragerete ta kungaina abana ngogwaka gosego kongaka kwa matenga tatu mina kongaka bos ya yo nganyete chikoni omenyete
abagaka bari guikaransa ise bagamba mangana ayu umuntu kangajiruna no morogi injira nera abagaka ba Mwanyagetinge bari guikaransa bagayana mangana ayu negintu kindi kyo gukumi mono abagaka go bakumworugo lakini mbali gukwana no yato kogikeria ogoito kwa abana n'abangina n'abasubati abagaka abange mbabwato bororo chinyumba cyabo mbaka bairaneire kenyenga amaruna aro bakogenda wekubya nayo ngogikeritore na Mwanyagetinge
Omochaki wekiombe kia Utu Coalition Dr. Kerubo Abuya nachengere kerengereri gie kiombe kia Mwanyagetinge ekyo gokonye byombe binde kurwanira obwene bwa mwanya bantu
tugatebanga abantu be culture abarai begetamaduni kieke Gusii cultural leaders baito babwatera namo na religious leaders bedini ntonyara kore tugonchore yekere binte binge ngokorekana birege ya Gusii biatorete irobo sokura kinda moroke gima biatago iromo Gusii igotokata bomo Gusii ntonyi gotara matenenda rero igotore iga no bosoku ekere bintu biakorekanire iga bitarenge gokorekana no mo Gusii
nonye esuguku ya Christmas no mwako moya kegendrete konyonka ange nigo bonsi basabiruko ba maiso erio kwenekia bikoro byoboke bago nechitanguche nchiri kogendererigu ase binyoro
tiga toba barindi babana baito tobarinde chinga kichiga chisuguku toba semi bona ritu abanyore to kuba semi chimbwa chingiya chimbwa cyobo mwanya bantu
abagaka ba mintu irana gesarate toikaransi abana baito tobate una bagwende gwesika una bagwende gwatia majikaito gekoro tosikane into ase intwe totiga goita baibori tosika abana baito tobakingi tuchingiya mintu mamusi togenderere
Koripoteria Ndizi TV korwa sekenyoro kiaria getugi Bomorenda Ward Bonchari constituency Elietaliane Ndemo Steven
Mbia mono sana omurikito Ndemo Steven asorobotiro oroikirano konde gosika mutu asorobotiro nde nigongo kumanyibuna magegaya machibu ya matemo y'ikirasi kya gatano gatatu gosoka bene nigo abange barokanire kogokera nabo igokorokia ogoisanika ase amachibu ayo gati yabona bateneri korwa ase Keumbu Wholeness Children's Home abagokerte aboroki gwababete bagokorire buya ase amatemo ayo kolenda se bakoragwa no director Abel Onchari nigo abolirie onde bwensi obwate okobwa kobakonya aboroki wabo asinchira ya bene elinda kwene kibnango gendera bali na masomo abo
somucho yigantu bwata abana bale side ya 112 abana bale chintakana abande go bale street children yasa otokonyira sobwaro boiga mwegure buna abana baito bakore bya kurwa class ya gatano na gatatu ababata max ya Amayia kuchakera max 395 kugenda kuchinse mwana te yobwate biro 250 tote binyasa utongambi yamono tuwata abana baito abange bari college bana baito abange bari university komuchiyo yigo bere bwobo konyi asengencho yaba abana bonse bawetera so muchiyo abande ba college cyabo university yabo yasi bakuri banyaro bokonyi bakonya abana bamwabo bonte tukobeka piringa bantu baminto bali moroche amatangasa yiga motokonyi n'abana bakoreta amatemu egere banyara konyora sponsorship banyara konyora bako babwati ko batoko boko bagende n'amasomo abo
asa marieta ngoro kujenyo njari nyasa utwanjeire abana baitumba nyarete gukora amatemu nyasa akabakonya banyoreta amaxi ya Amayia abana banonye baitete banyoreta amaxi ya Amayia ntubwati njerende turabakonye basoye giskuru tugusaba bari baranyare ko tokonya nakokonya abana bakura nyore nganunyare kuira nonye umwana oyo momukonya umwaka niri school fees nakumukonya kirura mukonya singe njoye skuru ntotebi Nyasaye mbiamono.
Eskuru yoboroso ya St. Patrick's Mosocho nigo yagokeire amachibu y'amatemo y'ikirasi kya 5 na 3 aseba ene kiribuna nigo eskuru ya serikali yabereke gokori ubuya okwana nigo bairabuna nigo aborokirwa batano babete bakonyora amaxi chiminye gochigoro ase baganire kogendera no moyoyo asebairaneri abayibuli naboigo aborokia naboigo aborokirwa mbiamono asoko bwatrana elinda kweneki onsi aikiranire Mulikito Hamisi Josephat Namange.
Chinga kichi sukuru Amayia ya Kenya chigenda tukabari chigo chingera amachibu yamatemu y'ikirasi ya 5 na 3 yomakonyara kabago gweta bono nigo eskuru ye serikali ya St. Patrick's boigom egenda tukabago chingera amachibu ayo magigam ya bana batano konyora amaximinye go chigoro.
Asa Marieta igonkoro kwa Nation oga omwalimu manene we school ya St. Patrick's Mosocho. Eskuru yeiga ne eskuru anana kapisa ase Kisii County. A population ya candidates last year igo barenga abana emiyemo ne 52 na isa na batano mo 176. Asa abana baiga bonsi abana batano banyoreta maxi 400 gochigoro. Alafu abana 86 banyoreta maxi 300 gochigoro.
Ninamshukuru Mungu kwa kutufikisha siku ya leo. Pia ninawashukuru walimu na wazazi kwa kuwa nasi hadi siku hii. Ninawapongeza walimu wote kwa kazi nzuri waliofanya mwaka huu. Aswa ninampongeza mwalimu wa darasa Bi Millicent kwa kutuelekeza.
I'm happy for the results that came out. I thank my teachers and parents who have been with us from the first and then
Magayaye omwaziri Ezekiel Machogu kubatuka amachibu ayo y'amatemu bono nigo chiskuru cy'abantu bene cyarokane chigokora buya kurinde eye skuru ye serikali gati chiskuru chinge echenyara koba chikoenekya ngachenyara koba chikoena na amachibu ayakogokya asebo igo wetania abana 54 banyara koba konyora amagisi chimisato gochigoro
ngwena saba abalimu baito asenga kibina turega abune board management yaturama board agato ja saba abalimu yatonya ebaramu na ndi nenjira yamekogera amatoke abere sukuru ye Amayia
abana baito bakorire buya asengenje yo mukyobo ekiba eteire amatemu etobegere tikokora amatemu mbalenge na bwoba ebakoreta amatemu nari bakora butambe.
I want to thank God because every stakeholder here was disciplined and ready to support us.
Omwalimu omanene bw'eskuru ya St. Patrick's Mosocho nigo abulire ababwatani abechisemi naboiga serikali gosoana na kweneke buna ebirasi byanyareko bikwagachwa ase skuru iyo naboigo chinyomba chiekebara ejira chikoba chikokonya omobaro bw'abana abange abale ase skuru iyo
ntobugate amakong aito gose challenges bune skuru eye mayabane linga ntubwate ebirasi bisaine ya kabere ntubwati chicho chisaine ya gatatu ntubwati abalimu baisaine otuwarenge ko boli stakeholders gose tokoroka bashikadau banje baiche tubwaterane ase okwagache birasi ebi tomente chicho ne serikali tokonye boli yanje etomenta abalimu
nare gosabaiga challenges jirenkenke chira ase skuru key stakeholders wherever you are toike skuru ya itwange asenge nyonto taite skuru ya shine mono wetania ase ikira mwalimu manembi yamana sega asengia na balimu kubwaterana board members be skuru yembia mona semere moko remia tiga twensi asoba mo nyasaye atusesenye
Uripotere gataseni kia Ndizi TV kurwa iskuru ya St. Patrick's Mosocho ime kaunti ya Kisii elitarane Josephat Hamisi.
Mbia mono sana omuriketo Hamisi Josephat asorobotirwa sinchira yobwagali konde togotigara imeyechi semi amatemwa manene a KCSE nigo aika omwelio litkolia lero omwaziri amuriki ase ewizara yechisemi Dr. Belio Kipsang nigo akambia mono gochase abatenili bonsi ase airabuna nigo boibibonde bwensi botaba bokwene kigwachinga kichi amatemu korinde omutenenili monene ase kiombe kiliketene tamatemu nek David Njegere nigarua amatuko emerongo etato gochia ase chiskuru a chirichia orokia ogotaisanika na machibu ya matemwa ikirasi kia gatano na gatatu anyarako bagotalira ase chiobisi chiabo na boigo kurwa okwemurungani kwabo ase ngencho yokolingolirwa.
National examinations allow for any candidate who feels that they have a query on either the way their names were captured or their marks, they have the right to request for us to verify their results. So as soon as we receive these, we verify for each and every candidate, and that is the procedure that will be followed even in this case. As soon as they submit their query, we are going to verify.
On marking, most of us, as we go out to celebrate Christmas, we shall be hanging around to make sure that we are prepared to let our children know their status before the schools open on 23rd. So it means we have a very short time, and therefore we are kicking off all the exercise as soon as we finish what we are doing. So it will be a marathon.
Eskuru yoboroso ya Moi DEP ngati yechi skuru chirichiaro kirogotaisanika na machibu ya matemo y'ikirasi ya gatano na gatatu ase bankire guwanchirana amachibu ayo nabwo kuyatuguterare ase be murunganire bunatali maikirano okwana no mwalimu munene w'eskuru iyo nigo aerera ogotaigena kwa machibu ayo ase agania ekiombe kirigeteneta matemo nek koligerelia boyia.
Kuanzia huko nyuma tumefanya mitihani, tumefanya mpaka sub county, mitihani ya mock. Watoto wetu wamekuwa wakiongoza. Tumefanya mitihani na shule nyingi. Hakuna mitihani yenye watoto wetu wamekosa kukua among the top 3. Hiyo cluster yenye sisi wao tunafanya nao. Hakuna mwaka tunaachania mbali. Hata juzi tukifanya ile jumimosa yetu ya mwisho ya shule 5. Watoto wetu kwa top 100 ndio wanafanya nini? Walikuwa wakiongoza. Yaani ni kitu kila mtu amekuwa amejua akiona. Si eti mara hii tulikuwa tuna expect results za kukuja kutu surprise. Ati labda mtoto atokee tu na 400 yenye hajawahi kupata, hapana. Lakini leo mimi kama head teacher nimeshangazwa. Wakati nilijaribu kutuma results, haikuja. Mzazi mmoja aliniambia mtoto wake amepata 354. Hiyo peke yake ilifanya nikashindwa, niko hai, ninalala, ninaota, kwa sababu mtoto anaitwa Nicole. Mtoto mwenye huwa anakuwa among the best, msichana number 1 best. Apate 354. Nafikiria huyu mzazi ametuma wrong ama amefanya namna gani. Tumekaa chini, kila mtoto mwenye tumetuma as at now mtoto wa kwanza at max ya juu sana. Mtoto wako na max 365. Yenye huyo mtoto tangu azaliwe kwa hii shule, tangu tufanye mitihani yote kwa historia ya hii shule, iwe mwaka hawakufunza, walifunza, hakuna siku tumekuwa na results kama hizo.
Homobunge okimilili Didmas Barasa nigo agoserede goika bosibwe kigambero ase ogostoera ewizara yechisemi anene mono kubwatekana na machiwo ya matemwa a KCPE anene mono kurwa ase eskuru ya Moi DEP ase omwana omotangani abwata maxi chimisato emerongo 55 kulengana na Barasa nigo atebiribuna nigo abateneneli ba matemwa nek babwenete komochigwa.
I'm urging him to reconsider, remarking of those exams, to be able to ensure that whatever the children have been given is what they qualify to get. Because when you have some pupils, the exams results being withheld, and also the overall performance of the school is not convincing, then that means that therefore that maybe the system that was used either to sieve out those who have participated in malpractices may have disadvantaged the other pupils as well.
Abamenyi be county ya Siaya nigo bono babuligwe gusimika emite ya matunda eliogokinia amanani na boigogokonya endagira ya matunda ga Chinsa mecho kolengana no waziri bwa mangana yobwerania Eliud Owalo oyo chakia omorobile yo litkolia lero nigo abuli abamenyi bonsi kwene kingango simika bale emite ase Chinsa mecho.
The forest cover is 0.23%. The tree cover is 5.27%. The forest cover is low because we have very few gazetted forests, and we have only 2 gazetted forests in the whole of Kisii County. That's we have Kotapiero, and we also have Ramogi. Since the short range started, we have so far planted 17,750 seedlings, and the area that we have so far planted is 16.1 hectares.
Fruit trees have the additional advantage of being both sources of food and income. I encourage each one of us to go beyond the present exercise and plant some fruit trees at home. Some fruit trees like avocados, pawpaws, guavas, and mangoes can be found within our homes and neighborhoods, even without anyone growing them. Such trees show natural inclination for our environment.
Haba MCA korase county ya Nairobi bono nigo baro kirugota isanika kwabo ase okolingolirwa kwaye Lucky Okudo kolende nigo bamuganire mugavana be county yo Johnson Sakaja gokora emirimo yaye burungi asoko nekibinango ikiraniale aliale ase manifesto ya Kenya Kwanza.
Being vetted for chief officer, Lucky Okudo is somebody who was seen on live television snatching people's phones in the bombers of Kenya. A very critical time that this country would have sunk into chaos and into anarchy. So we want to express and tell Governor Sakaja that what we are doing is not okay. We are not happy. We as a party, we feel disgruntled, and the hustlers of this country, the people who went out of their way to fight for this party, are not happy. We are their representatives, and they are telling us to come here and tell them what we are doing is not okay, and we will no longer take it lying down. Really, not just that, is because that is the last straw in the camel's back. What we are saying is that we need a more consultative approach in the management of Nairobi, so that we are all able to deliver the manifesto. Right now, in this Christmas season, workers in Nairobi County are going without their salaries. They have no money, they have not been paid. This has never happened in the history of this city. Our parents and the students who are going to school in January, there will be no bursaries, simply because we are doing a lot of PR and a lot of wasting time. So we are telling him, please employ and let us stick to our election manifesto that we gave the people of the city.
20th. Yeye alileta makaratasi yake on 21st. Na kwanza yalikuwa yametumwa katika ile email, barua pepe. Ilikuwa imetumwa katika barua pepe. Jana akakuja na hakuja hata na originals documents za kuonyesha kuwa amehitimu.
Omobunge Omathoya Edwin Mugo nigo aena na chimilioni isano gochia ase abonchereria anene mono abasubati erinde kwene kibinango egenderera bali ukwana nigo abasaba wakana chibeso cha Uwezo Fund asingenchiyo kwene kibina amatuko abusiongo enyorya bali chibese cyo nabigo kwene ki obakoleri obuya abamenyi benseme yo nigo bagokera omorobili yo ase bagania abasubati gwesokia ase obonge nabo igokoriya chinchira chinya chyo kwegendereria.
I'm very happy to disperse the funds. This is just one stop. We are going to other stops. And I'm encouraging the women that we have given this money to repay these funds so that we can be able to give more next year. But starting next year, we will make sure that every penny for the Uwezo Fund that is meant for Amayia constituency, every penny for the youth fund, every penny for the women fund that is meant for Amayia constituency, it is disbursed, and it is disbursed timely so that it can benefit the people of Amayia.
Raundi ya mbele ya kwanza tulipewa 100,000, ya pili tukapewa 115,000, na ya ile cheki tulipewa ya 230,000, na itatusaidia sana kwa sababu tuta expand our businesses na hata tutasaidia maboma yetu watu wote.
Tumenunua busi, kila mtu ako na busi yake. Sasa tunataka kununua matanki ya maji.
Habarai korwa ase edini yege Islamu bakubwatira n'abayigenwa korwa ase edini eyo nigo bamwire okoboko omuwaziri Aden Duale ase engana abagakubika bosio obuna abaisilamu nigo babwenete gusikwa anene mono ase eyanga yabo bakubika ya hijab okwana nigo bairira buna nigo kera omukenya abwate obosibole bwo gusasima ase bagania abalimu ko sika aborokigwa abo bakubika kyanga kiri kya hijab.
Kuvaa hijab ni heshima na taadhima katika tamaduni ya Kiislamu. Kwa hivyo hilo jambo tunalipongeza sana na tunaunga mkono na tunamshukuru Mungu kuwa na uongozi kuanzia rais ambaye ni mcha Mungu pamoja na waziri wake, hasa yale maneno ambayo ameyazungumza defense minister Mheshimiwa Aden Duale.
Wearing hijab among Muslim women is an act of worship, and we thank the government of Kenya Kwanza for the positive gesture. It is our hope and wish that the government will continue to uphold and respect different religions within our borders to foster unity and prosperity among Kenyans.
Jambo la heshima ya mavazi ya mama zetu, dada zetu liwe ni lenye kupawa kipaumbele katika nchi yetu. Kwa hakika jambo kama hili limetufurahisha.
Sehemu zingine ambazo ziko labda up country hawaruhusiwi watoto wa Kiislamu kuvaa hili vazi. Kwa hivyo ni ombi letu kwamba tutakubaliwa kwa sababu kuvaa hijab ni act of worship, ni kitendo cha
Mancho murigereria unongo butolera amangana Amayia ase ebirebiga kurendeti ataraso ase nsemeli ya kabere ye studio tumerane nere Captain 001 asa mangana ye Chigosoli.
Umurobrio bw'Ikigosori nigokoretwa sore na Peak Uniforms and Sports Center abarosia na buigwa bonia bechianga ao chokobeka banyore imejumuchu Kisii ase nyumba ya Baraka Building angena Shivling Supermarket musoba kirizime ase namba enoti isaronegere ibere noti Isato kianda Isato isaronemo enoti.
Emarago bengi ya korwanda sesa tengerete ketaseni kia Ndizi TV korwa simaite ase binyode bingi meorogo ngorwa Gusii ni gavasani koru emechia isiko emechia Nakuru, Eldoret, Nairobi, Mombasa panyerire koira naka na gusanga amo nechia mate chiabo korwa sorongorwa Gusii no semerikwane buna mbia mwana kwenda kubwatia Ndizi TV tiabona nkwarigani vena samngana Amayia ye Chigosori buna botambe iretera nende mo Steven Captain 001. Noto chakamngana Amayia ye Chigosori korwa se league ya Football Kenya Premier League FKF Premier League abwa se Chigosori chientunda ya gatano chabete ko bachigosori gwa se wiki ye ase gosori ya inka ye timu ya KCB yo yante ko bu ne timu ya Tusker FC chigori bere ase gore yamo saron ko ire ya masemo bakase getige inka ya KCB torana kyo gosori bwa renge.
Hapa hii yetu. Hiyo kuja na nini?
Neraguna etimu ya Tusker FC na babwango igabege kombe gia FKF Premier League ase bono banyare kokokira machibu ayo kurengana no morokio wa mane Robert Matano kurinda sensemo ya morokio mane bwe timu ya KCB Zedekia Otieno makaine buna ziko nigatero nanyare kwena kibuna etimu ya KCB yanyare kotwara machibu mayase chigosori chirebosio.
Kwanza ndawapa kongole kwa kuweza kupata ushindi, lakini nadhani ya kwamba tumeweza kupoteza nafasi nzuri za kuweza kushinda mechi. So mechi ilikuwa katika mikono yetu, lakini hatujaweza kuwa stadi zaidi ili kuweza kuishinda. At the moment we'll just give our players some few 4 or 3 days to rest and go have a time with their families, and then we'll come back to prepare for our next match against Gor Mahia. Of course, we'll be working on our attacking because this is an area that at the moment we need to work on. We have been winning one match and losing the other match, so it means that we need to be clinical in front of goal.
It was a tough match, so we expected that, and also we prepared for the match. So it was a hard fight one. I'm happy about that one. We are working as a team. We've been together. They are going they are following what we are trying to train in the training sessions, and also they are working as a team. They have been together at least some while, and they understand my philosophy. So we are just playing as a team. We are working as a family, and we are more focused. Everybody's focused. Everybody's determined to play, and then to try to maintain our standard we have already set for around 3 years when I was in this team. So everybody knows what I want from every player.